Today is about you. Who's today about? Who? Really?
And what is passing for work these days is absolutely abysmal.
This is the one I was looking forward to, dude.
Yeah. Okay, great photo op. Thank you all.
You've got to have a strong company culture.
Today, why in our goal? Let's hear it for Amazon. Who wants to thrive?
Strong companies, last-name companies, build strong teams.
Does that start from the top of the company to set that culture in place?
I think absolutely.
This is crucial. Why not have every place of work a best place to work?
That doesn't work for this generation.
But I want to walk you through the process.
Top notch. And so Daren and Elise have been so fantastic to work with. Make my job easier. They make me look good.
Ready? Count of three. 1, 2, 3, go! Really? Sorry, you get bonus points for coming up on stage.
I amplify the inherent greatness in every person I meet.
Okay.
He did a fantastic job motivating and inspire our team.
I get a yes. Okay. Louisville, Kentucky! Bigger, thrive! All right.
You're only as strong as your weakest link.
Urban motor vehicles come to mind.
I can deliver on exactly what I'm promising.
And I think I've been pretty successful, right?
And by the way, since I threw out the website, add me on Facebook, my Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Tinder. No. It's a joke. I'm actually not on Tinder. Okay.
In the limited time he had to talk to us, he was able to get an awful lot of great information and takeaways with the audience. So I highly recommend Daren as a speaker, and I suggest you check him out.
And I'm gonna shoot it from right here. Now go win some championships. Thank y'all.
Thank you.